মধ্যে মধ্যে খাইলে গার্বেজটা কমে, মধ্যে মধ্যে খাই না আবার, মধ্যে মধ্যে খাই না হলে আবার খাইতেছে। ডাক্তার 2 বেলা কইছে, আমি 1 বেলা খাই। 2 বেলা খাইলে আমি ঘুমে শুয়ে দেই না কিছু।
কোথায়? Ayaw ah? Yes? Ayaw, ayaw, ayaw. Halas clean ha?
আরে খাই না, ভালো লাগে না 2 বেলা খাই। আর 2 বেলা খাইলে আমি শুয়ে কিছু দেই না, ব্যবসা দিই।
Gagawa tayo guys ng mashed potato guys ha, mashed potato. Panoorin niyo tayo kung paano gumawa ng mashed potato.
فاروق هذا ايش حبيبي هذا شكله حلو هذا ماما هذا ايش
Ada parok, ada parok.
فاروق كاروت كاروت أكل كاروت هذا ما في فوق كاروت كاروت خذ من تحت
Masyado? Eh?
تحت داون ايوه شفت انا شفت انا معلومه
Ayaw, ayaw.
أيوة، بنغالي هذا معلومه انا
Bengali ada miya miya. Parok ada miya miya.
لا لا ما في 100
Kamu sa miya.
ابا 50 50
Kamu sa kasi kalas. Upstairs mapi ha?
ما في معلومه
Mapi.
هذا مانجر
Manager. May manager. Toilet? Toilet manager?
مانجر
আব্দুল্লাহ করে
كوفي عنب
Rupi?
كوفي عنب هذا ممكن بايدن بايدن رئيس امريكا
West America?
ايوه بايدن ما يشوف انت
Joe Biden.
شو بايدن شوف
Hmm.
معلوم
Ayaw, ayaw.
سمسم صح
করো করো হুজুর
صح سمسم ولا ما في عفوا سوري سمسم ولا ما في سمسم
Same.
ايوه يعني انا انت
হুজুর
Ayaw.
করো করো হুজুর
جون بايدن راح جون بايدن
Joe Biden.
ايوه
Yan guys, gagawa tayo ng mashed potato. Patuloy niyo kung paano gumawa ha. First cleaning the mashed potato guys ha.
হ্যালো হুজুর ওলা আরে করো
Remove black ha, baby. First cleaning guys ha. First cleaning mashed potato. Remove the skin. You see how to make good taste and good mashed potato now. You see my recipe guys ha. Mapi market ha. You see guys ha. I clean now all because I don't have big. That's why I finish the small. Ah, di ba na? Ano pagkagawa nito sa ano eh? Oh, dali. Taklo ba yung ipakita sa madlang people yan natin eh. Sa ano? May galap shot out. Remove the skin guys. Of mashed potato. Hey. Mapi market ha, Mapi market. Okay guys, remove all skin. Kalam hai habibi saba. Hi. Yan guys ha. Panoorin nyo kung paano tayo gumawa ng mashed potato. First, remove the skin ha. Yan guys ha.
উমরো স্যালারি
Ano muna natin. So guys, already clean guys ha. Now is wash. I wash now guys ha. I wash. Ayan guys, I wash now. Remove the water. Oh! I wash carefully, huh? And then I cut. You see? Like this only to make mashed potato guys. Ha? How to make
Ha?
yan guys ha. Yan guys ha. Guys, I cut now ha. Like this only guys. You see? You see? How to make mashed potato guys, only like this ha. Cut. Small, only cut half. Only like this guys ha. Small, only cut in half guys. Small, only cut in half. Like this soya big, little big, I cut 3. And guys, how to make mashed potato. You see how what ingredients I put. We like this guys ha.
هذا دي مع رز وبصالة صح؟
Ha?
رز رايس دي مع بصالة صح؟
Aywa, white rice, white rice.
واحد رايس ها؟
Thank you for coming. Ha?
Picture, easy click.
Picture you have mobile, I busy now. Picture had a patura and all. You see guys, huh? Like this only guys, huh? How to wait. Chicken masala, baby.
Mom, no.
Wine rice, chicken masala. So yan guys ha. I cook now guys. I put water. Yan guys ha. How to cook mashed potato. You see my recipe ha. You see my water. Little. Aywa, finish. Maybe coming guys 30 minutes is already done cooking my mashed potato guys ha. You see liters. You see liters guys ha. Maybe half hour but already cooking. You see now the mashed potato already boiling guys ha. Already boiling.
Very much taking half sara.
Kala mala to na.
Butter chicken blend video.
This is chicken masala guys. Guys ha. Oh. Already boiling the mashed potato guys ha.
Haro.
You see? Already boiling. Guys ha. Maybe half hour because you see how to make mashed potato. Mashed potato. I see. Cooking or not cooking? Oh, little time, maybe 15 minutes guys. Huh? Already cooking guys, huh? 15 minutes, already done all, huh? Some is cooking, some is not cooking, you see. Unahin mo yung mushroom, ha? Yung mushroom muna. Yung mushroom. Ay, hindi kasi pagka ganyan, nauuna yung ano, hindi pa alam mahuli yan. Sige, pagsabay mo na. Ha? Yan guys, ha? Yan na guys, ha? Ready, ha? Maybe 10 minutes, finish. Guys, already cooking guys, ha? Already cooking. See? Now is already cooking guys. I stop the now. Already cooking guys, ha? Mashed potato is ready guys, ha? You see guys? The mashed potato now is ready. Mashed potato is ready guys, ha? I put ingredients on. Mashed potato is ready guys, ha? Wait guys, ha? Mashed potato. We'll transfer now, ha? Transfer her. So I transfer guys, ha? How to make mashed potato. You see guys? Mashed potato. Guys, ha? I transfer all, ha? Hindi basta-basta ang chef, guys. You see, together the order. We together give. You see how to make mashed potato, guys, ha?
Papa.
Finish guys. Guys, wait, I make mashed potato. Habibi, malis. Aro, malis, I like more for mashed potato. Parmesan na, parmesan like this. Aywa, sim-sim na. Parmesan. Yan guys, ha. Lagyan na natin ang lahok guys, ha. My first part is butter guys. Yan guys, ha. I put butter. Parmesan na, sim-sim hada. Guys, butter na first, put butter. Butter guys, ha. Then guys, second guys is black pepper. Okay. Black pepper guys, ha. Black pepper. And then guys, parmesan. Parmesan guys, ha. Parmesan. Parmesan, ha. You like more parmesan to taste. And then guys, salt. Guys, salt, ha. ingredients is finished, huh? I cannot put the cream because you put cream. Yan guys, ha? Mix carefully. You see guys? How to make mashed potato good. Guys, you see guys, mashed potato is ready. Right and left is using rice. Left and right is using
ये लेके जाओ बोला ये हो गया इसमें लिखा है
go. See guys, you see? You like some milk. I need some again, huh? I need some again. You see? That's why a good taste. Now I taste guys, huh? So I taste now guys, huh? Have salt or no salt? Number one guys, number one. Good taste. Ay Sir Ricky, gawa lang ako ng ano. Bigyan kita ng jacket po, ha? Yan po. Yan, already finished guys. Tinikpan ko na. O, ganyan lang yung mashed potato guys. Very easy to make and then very tasty. Now it's ready. Now it's ready now, ha? Now it's ready. Have some big. He like to all small. Ay, may galap sa tato. Medyo gumagawa ko ng mashed potato guys. Ito talagang recipe nito, may ano to, may cream, kaso lang pag nilagyan mo ng cream madali siyang masira. Kaya pagka saka mo bibigay siya, lalagyan ng cream pag bibigay mo sa customer. May cream talaga to pag ako'y gumagawa, kaso lang madaling 2 days is finish. Thank you ha, thank you sa pagbisita dyan ha. Sagit lang ma'am isa ha. At ako lang gumagawa ng mashed potato. Now finish guys ha. Thank you ha. Guys, thank you for watching ha. In my live, in my video. How to make good taste and yummy You see guys? Number 1. We like some salt because I cannot satisfy the taste. I put some salt guys. I cannot satisfy the taste. Guys, finish. Ang buhay ng kasunero guys. Now guys, I cover finish guys Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching guys in my video. I covered maybe half hour is ready of cold. I transfer other container guys. No. Thank you guys Thank you for watching guys. Thank you.